At number 1, we have the Vevor Mini Lathe Machine. This compact lathe is the #1 bestseller on Amazon, perfect for hobbyists and beginners ready to start their woodworking journey. It features a powerful 96W motor that delivers precise control for all your detailed turning projects. With 7 variable speeds from 42 to 20 to 8,500 RPM, it's versatile enough to handle pens, beads, and chess pieces with ease. It's a complete DIY kit. The package includes essential accessories for milling, grinding, and polishing, making it a truly versatile tool. Users love its sturdy aluminum construction, lightweight design, and low noise level, perfect for any home workshop. Overall, it's the most reliable, affordable starter lathe for creative small projects. The #1 choice for a reason.
At number 2, we have the BACHIN Mini Lathe Lathe Machine. A longtime bestseller with over 800 reviews, this mini wood lathe is designed specifically for home DIY enthusiasts. It offers 7-speed settings and strong power, excelling in grinding, polishing, bead turning, and small woodworking projects. Customers praise its easy assembly, smooth performance, and included tools that make it beginner-friendly right out of the box. Compact portable build allows for creating detailed crafts without taking up much space. Its affordability, low noise, and high precision make it a favorite for hobbyists. A durable and fun choice for entry-level wood turning.
At number 3, we have the Woodworking Mini Benchtop Wood Lathe. This popular lathe delivers excellent performance with its variable speed control and solid 3.2 amp motor. Reviewers appreciate the smooth variable speed operation that reduces vibration and is easy to use. It features an 8-inch swing and 13-inch distance between centers, perfect for detailed work. Ideal for turning pens, bowls, cups, chess pieces, and other detailed work pieces. We call it a great value starter lathe that offers more capacity while remaining compact and affordable for home workshops.
At number 4, we have the WEN LA3424 wood lathe. This highly rated benchtop lathe handles larger projects with its powerful 4.5 amp motor and vibration, reducing cast iron construction. It supports workpieces up to 12 inches in diameter and 18 inches long. With 5 speeds from 520 to 3,400 RPM, it's versatile for both spindle and bowl turning. Users rave about its stability, included 3x1/8-inch faceplate, and great value compared to premium brands. Perfect for intermediate wood turners, it offers durability and smooth performance for bowls, spindles, and furniture parts.
At number 5, we have the Jet 12 X21 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. This premium lathe is a top choice for serious wood turners with hundreds of high ratings. Powered by a 1 HP motor with smooth variable speed control, it provides precision and low vibration. Customers highlight its exceptional accuracy, ease of adjustments, and long-term reliability. It's ideal for those investing in a high-quality machine that delivers professional results.
At number 6, we have the Jet 10 X15 Variable Speed Benchtop Woodworking Lathe, a well-regarded, compact yet capable machine praised for balancing portability with strong performance. It features variable speed control, allowing you to tackle a wide range of turning tasks with ease. Its solid construction delivers smooth operation and low vibration, a feature appreciated by users from beginners to intermediates. Its reliability and versatility make it an excellent step-up option for any home shop, combining quality and ease of use. Jet 10X15 is a top choice for woodworkers seeking a reliable and powerful benchtop lathe.